this video, I'll create a problem statement for you. Seems interesting, right? You all are familiar with IBM, the big IT giant. Headquartered in New York, this company has several offices across many countries. In India, it is registered as IBM India. So, IBM India have many units in Bengaluru, Pune, Delhi, Kolkata, Mumbai, Chennai and other cities. So, let us take an example. Rohan is an employee in IBM Chennai unit. For his recent development project, he needs few resources and guidance from the company. For that, he had a talk with his immediate team lead. His team lead said that a person named Akhil has worked in the same kind of project, but he is posted in Delhi. He is working for Delhi unit. The team lead forgot Akhil's mail ID. Now the problem is how Rohan can reach out to Akhil. One way is through Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. He tried and he found 10 Akhils in Delhi. So it is becoming very difficult to confirm who is working in IBM, because all these accounts, they have not shared their about write-ups properly. So what Rohan can do and how we can solve his problem? The answer is LDAP. Now what is LDAP? LDAP is a lightweight directory access protocol supported by many platforms like Windows, Linux, etc. By definition, it is a standard protocol that works over IP network for accessing and maintaining directory data. Let me elaborate this for the problem I have said. If a company has all the internal employees' data stored as a directory in a server, then any employee can have access to the directory over intranet. Remember, if permitted. So big companies do so by storing the data in a LDAP server. Through LDAP protocol, any other employee of this organization can have access to the data. Like if there is a LDAP server in IBM, then Rohan will easily find Akhil's details, including his mail ID, phone number and other. The benefit is LDAP directory data is stored and retrieved in a simple format. LDAP has a defined port. This is very important and you should remember, LDAP server can be accessed through port number 389, TCP or UDP. And LDAP over SSL, which is known as LDAPS, can be accessed through port number 636. So application wise, I think you now know the use of LDAP. If you like this video, then please subscribe to our channel to get more such videos.